Welcome to another episode of Innovations in Industry. Today we are going to talk about a key topic in the business world: quality.
Exactly. Quality is not just a concept, but a set of principles that have evolved over time. But who invented quality?
There is no single inventor, but several pioneers who laid the foundations for what we know today as quality management. Let's meet four of them.
We begin with Walter Shewhart, an American physicist, engineer, and statistician. In the 1920s, while working at Bell Labs, he developed control charts, a fundamental tool in statistical process control.
Exactly. His approach made it possible to reduce variability in productions, improving product quality. In addition, his work influenced another great name in the world of quality, which we will talk about later, W. Edwards Deming. Deming is one of the most influential figures in modern quality. It was he who brought Shewhart's principles to Japan after World War II, helping to transform its industry.
His famous Deming cycle, plan, do, check, act, became a pillar of continuous improvement. He also believed in the importance of management and organizational culture to ensure quality.
Thanks to Deming, companies like Toyota revolutionized production with the total quality approach.
Now let's talk about Joseph Juran, another quality giant. His great contribution was the concept of the Juran trilogy: quality planning, control, and improvement.
Julian understood that quality does not only depend on process control, but on the participation of the entire organization, from senior management to plant operators.
Juran recognized that more careful management of certain internal stages in production could lead to greater costs for the company, but the medium and long-term results will be sufficient to recover the money invested. His concept allowed him to work with major companies in the United States and Japan.
And finally, Philip Crosby, known for his zero defects psychology.
Crosby was one of the most prominent American businessmen and quality thinkers, contributing his management theory and quality management practice. For Crosby, an efficient management system is one that provides quality to all who work there and, more than that, makes it clear to its members that the goal of quality is to achieve zero defects. Crosby argued that defects should be anticipated and avoided, not according to him, admitting a margin of error in advance created a self-fulfilling prophecy, which in itself will cause defects to occur.
In his book Quality is Free, he argued that investing in quality saves could in the long run because errors and defects are much more costly to correct later.
As we have seen, the concept of quality was not invented by a single person, but is the result of contribution from several pioneering figures such as Shewhart, Deming, Duran, and Crosby. Each of these experts contributed fundamental ideas that have shaped the way we understand and implemented quality in various industries today. So, as we conclude today's episode, let's take a moment to reflect on how we too can apply these timeless principles in our own work, whether in a factory, an office, or even in our personal lives. Because in the end, quality isn't just about the product, it is about the people, the process, and the passion for doing things right.
Their legacy lives on today across all industries. Without them, manufacturing, technology, and service would not be what they are today.